Welcome to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you a video installation on the Inno Snowsport INA951 Universal 6-pair ski or 4 snowboard car top carrier. Begin the installation by removing the 2 bolts on the underside of the attachment body. These bolts will be used to help securely fasten the Inno memory mount hardware to the underside of the ski carrier. Each one of the memory mount plates is labeled with either a letter A or B. Letter A mounts to the right side and letter B mounts to the left side. Next, insert the A memory mount into the square hole on the right side of the ski carrier. Once you have the memory mount positioned correctly, refasten the front bolt to secure the mount in place. Give the mount a good shake to ensure that it's securely attached. Repeat this procedure for memory mount B. To adjust the width of the ski carrier, loosen the 4 bolts on the underside of the ski rack. You only have to loosen the bolts a couple rotations each. Do not completely unscrew them. This will allow the rack to slide on the adjustment bar to best fit your vehicle's width. The circle located on the adjustment bar indicates the center and allows you to evenly distribute your racks on the adjustment bar. The full length of the adjustment bar is 23.5 inches. The maximum distance you can spread the racks on the adjustment bar is 15 inches, putting the circle indicator at 7.5 inches. Once you have your measurements set, tighten all 4 bolts securely. Inno provides a strip of frame molding to fill the underside of the channel. Press the molding into the slot and cut the excess molding with sharp scissors. Use the gray adjuster knob to fine-tune the hook claws to fit around your crossbar. Then clamp the large black lever towards the outside of the mounting hardware. Give the rack a good shake to ensure the claws are securely attached around your crossbar. The INA951 comes keyed with locks. This allows you to lock your carrier to the vehicle and lock your skis or snowboards to the rack. The Inno Snowsport INA951 can accept up to 5 or 6 pairs of skis depending on their width. It can also accept 4 snowboards or a combination of skis and snowboards. After loading your equipment, clamp the upper arm and lock the carrier. Thanks for watching our Inno Ski and Snowboard Carrier video. If you have any questions, visit us at rackwarehouse.com or call us at 800-272-5362. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle.